Hello and welcome to Business Kitz. My name is Tatiana, and in this video we will discuss how to register your business in Australia and why it's important to do so. We'll also discuss the Australian Securities and Investments Commission registration search and how it can benefit you when doing business with or investing in an Australian company.
ASIC, which stands for the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, is the regulatory body responsible for overseeing business registration and corporate compliance in Australia. An ASIC registration search is a powerful tool that allows individuals and businesses to search for information about companies registered in Australia. The ASIC registration search is an online database that provides access to a wide range of information about registered companies in Australia. This information includes the company's name, registration number, registered office address, directors and shareholders, and other relevant details. The search can be performed using the company's ACN, Australian Company Number, or ABN, Australian Business Number. The ASIC registration search is the central tool for businesses and individuals looking to do business with or invest in Australian companies. It allows users to check the registration status of a company, verify its details, and obtain important information about its directors and shareholders. This information can help users to make informed decisions about whether to do business with the company or invest in its shares. Registering a company in Australia is a straightforward process that can be completed online through the ASIC website. Here are the steps to register a company in Australia. 1. Choose a company name. The company name must be unique and not already registered in Australia. The ASIC website provides a free company name availability search tool to check if the name is available. 2. Choose a company structure. The most common company structures in Australia are proprietary limited and public companies. A proprietary limited company is a private company with limited liability, while a public company can offer shares to the public. 3. Appoint a director or directors for your company. A director is responsible for managing the company's affairs and making decisions on behalf of the company. 4. Prepare the company's constitution. A company constitution is a legal document that outlines the rules and regulations for running the company. 5. Register with ASIC. The ASIC website provides an online registration portal for company registration. The process requires completing an online form and paying a registration fee. The ASIC website also provides a step-by-step guide to registering a company. 6. Obtain an Australian Business Number, ABN. An ABN is a unique identifier for businesses in Australia. It is required to conduct business in Australia and can be obtained for free through the Australian Business Registrar website. 7. Register for Goods and Service Tax, GST. If a company expects to have a turnover of more than $75,000 per year, it must register for GST. GST registration can be done through the Australian Taxation Office website. 8. Register for other taxes. Depending on the nature of the company's business, it may need to register for other taxes, such as pay-as-you-go, withholding, or fringe benefits tax. 9. Open a bank account. The company will need a separate bank account for business transactions. The costs of registering a company in Australia vary depending on the type of company structure, the state or territory in which the company will operate, and the services required. Please note that these costs refer to the companies. They are different, substantially less fees for registering a business. The first cost that you will encounter is the ASIC company registration fee. The fee for registering a company with ASIC is currently $495. This fee includes a $406 registration fee and an $89 fee for registering for an Australian business number and goods and service tax. It's important to note that this fee is subject to change, so it's recommended to check with ASIC for the latest information. In addition to the ASIC fee, legal fees may be required if you choose to engage a lawyer to assist with the registration process. Legal fees can vary depending on the complexity of the company structure and the services required. Accounting fees may also be required depending on the size and complexity of the company. These fees are to ensure compliance with tax and financial reporting requirements. Lastly, some states and territories may charge additional fees for registering a company within their jurisdiction. it's important to check with the relevant state or territory government for these fees. It's important to note that there may be additional ongoing costs associated with maintaining a registered company in Australia, such as annual fees, tax obligations, and reporting requirements. Registering a small business in Australia is a straightforward process that can be completed online through the ASIC website. Here are the steps to register a business in Australia. Step 1. Research and planning. The first step in starting a small business is conducting thorough research and planning. This includes identifying your target market, understanding your competitors, and determining the viability of your business idea. You will also need to develop a business plan which outlines your goals, strategies, and financial projections. ASIC provides a range of resources to help you with this process, including the Small Business Hub on their website, which has information on topics such as market research and financial planning. They also offer a business name availability search tool, which allows you to check if your desired business name is available. Step 2. Register your business name. Once you've developed a business plan and chosen a name for your business, you'll need to register your business name with ASIC. This is a legal requirement in Australia and helps to protect your brand and identity. To register your business name, you'll need to create an ASIC Connect account and complete the online application form. There is a fee for registering your business name, which can be paid online via credit card or BPay. Step 3. Obtain an ABN and register for GST. Next, you'll need to obtain an Australian business number and register for goods and service tax, if applicable. An ABN is a unique 11-digit number that identifies your business to the government and other businesses. Registering for GST is necessary if your business has a turnover of $75,000 or more per year. You can apply for an ABN and register for GST on the Australian Business Register website. There is no fee for obtaining an ABN, but there may be fees associated with registering for GST. Step 4. Understand your legal obligations. When starting a small business, it's important to understand your legal obligations, including tax and reporting requirements. ASIC provides a range of resources on their website to help you navigate these obligations, including information on record keeping, tax returns, and employment obligations. Step 5. Seek professional advice. Finally, it's always a good idea to seek professional advice when starting a small business. This may include consulting with a lawyer or accountant who can provide guidance on legal and financial matters. ASIC also offers a free small business helpline, which you can call to get assistance with any questions or concerns you may have. Starting a small business can be challenging, but rewarding. By following these steps and utilizing the resources provided by ASIC, you can set your business up for success.
And there you have it, everything you need to know about registering your business with the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, brought to you by Business Kitz. We are here to empower your business, to help you with our huge bank of legal documents, to make sure you stay legally compliant every step of the way.